Welcome back to LGS Cars, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive design and innovation. Today, we're excited to dive into the 2025 Genesis G90, a flagship luxury sedan that epitomizes sophistication, performance, and cutting-edge technology. A bold and refined design, the 2025 Genesis G90 arrives with a bold new design that seamlessly blends classic sedan aesthetics with modern styling. Its sleek lines, pronounced wheel arches, and honeycomb structure grille give it a sophisticated and dynamic appearance. The eye-catching LED headlights and taillights, along with the signature chrome accents, add to its prestigious and commanding presence on the road. Power and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 G90 is powered by a refined 3.5-liter V6 mild hybrid engine, delivering an impressive 409 horsepower and 405 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive driving dynamics. The G90 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.6 seconds, offering a powerful yet refined driving experience. Luxurious and high-tech interior step inside the G90, and you'll find a cabin that seamlessly blends luxury with cutting-edge technology. High-quality materials, including Napa leather upholstery and real wood trim, create a premium feel. The spacious interior offers ample legroom and headroom for all passengers, ensuring the utmost comfort on long journeys. The rear seats feature reclining and massage functions, elevating the level of luxury even further. The centerpiece of the cockpit is the dual touchscreen infotainment system, which includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Bang & Olufsen premium sound system, keeping you connected and entertained on the go. Advanced safety features. Safety is a top priority for Genesis, and the G90 2025 comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features. Standard offerings include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims add features like blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera system, and rear cross-traffic alert, providing peace of mind for every journey. Eco-friendly and efficient. The G90 is designed with sustainability in mind. The mild hybrid engine not only reduces emissions, but also offers impressive fuel efficiency, with an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. The G90's aerodynamic design and efficient powertrain make it an eco-friendly choice for the environmentally conscious driver without compromising on performance or luxury. The 2025 Genesis G90 is more than just a sedan. It's a perfect blend of style, performance, and innovation. Stay tuned to LGS Cars for more insights and updates on the latest automotive marvels.